Be honest. How many resumes have you sent this month? 10, 20, 50, and still nothing. You're trying. You're applying. You're doing everything they told you to do. But the job market is silent. Rent keeps climbing. Debt keeps growing. And moving out, starting fresh, or even saving a little feels impossible. But what if the problem isn't you? What if the real issue is that nobody ever showed you how to earn money without needing money to start? Because right now, there are real ways, simple ways, to start earning income from zero. No cash, no experience, no gatekeepers, nobody to hold you back. That's exactly why I created the Cashless Startup System, a 3 ebook bundle that shows you 3 powerful beginner-friendly ways to start earning income with absolutely no upfront money. These aren't scams. These aren't get-rich-quick fantasies. These are real, proven methods young people are using right now to break free from being broke. Now, here's the icing on the cake. If you've ever thought, I need a side hustle, but I don't want to do MLM, sell feet pics, or pretend I love cold calling, then good news. This ebook bundle comes with a private label edition license. You can rebrand it, resell it, add your name as the author, and make money without writing a single word. It's the closest thing to passive income that doesn't involve renting out your couch to strangers. Plus, you resell it and keep 100% of the profits. If you're tired of waiting for someone to give you a chance, if you're ready to take control of your income, and if you want to start from zero, literally zero, then this is your moment. Tap below and unlock the Cashless Startup System. Your first real income stream starts today.